Hi, friends. Good evening. Welcome back to this series, part 2 of how to build a dynamic web application using Python Flask framework. In part 1, we have seen a simple Python program which has just the home page. Today's program will be adding a few more. So, this is the way to go about it. Just create a new folder and then use any text editor to write your Python program. Import all the Flask libraries, instantiate Flask class, and then start adding the roots. Each one is one endpoint, one web page, if you will, like that. And then off you go. That's it. This is more than enough to create a website like we have seen in the first tutorial. There you go. We have the web server running, and then voila, we have the home page. Now, today's job is to add more such pages to the website, as simple as a root and a matching function to go with it. So this is what the public will be requesting from us, and we are supposed to respond this way. Let's have one more about us. So contact us, about us. These are the two additional pages we are going to provide. Okay, done with. Let us rerun the program and visit the site. Yes, this is the home page, and in order to access the other two pages, you just need to hit the particular URL. See the root slash about this one. Let us try the slash contact, this one. And when you just ask for the root, you land up at the home page. Now, obviously, we would like to have a nice menu system, a navigation system, connecting all these pages. So in the home page that is index, let us provide links to the others. So stop the site, Control C, come back here and just provide the hyperlinks to the other two. So one is the contact, so contact us, and the other is the about us page. Let me make it comfortable for us to write the code in multiple lines. With the triple quote, you have the freedom to write your code. Okay, guys. So we have a menu system in place. This should do. Go back to the terminal, run the program, and hit the site. There you go. We have a decent home page with a couple of links. one to the contact us and the other about us. We can have a layout template system as well with a header and a footer and the body content embedded. We'll see that in the upcoming videos. So this is level 2 for us. Guys, our very first program had this one, only the home page and nothing more. Whereas part 2, we have seen how to add more pages to the site and then how to link them up to from the home page. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.